I'll teach you how to build your own website in less than 10 minutes so you can create your own personal brand and use it with your own social media. So let's hop right into it. AI for rising creators. Welcome back to GHL, everybody. We're going to be building a website in GHL today, so I hope you guys are excited to learn about this. We're just here on the dashboard, so we'll go ahead and move to sites. So you're going to want to build your own website in the sites part. You're going to build basically a funnel for people to go into and be able to have something clickable and something that they can interact with to be able to access your personal brand. So we're going to create a new funnel, and we're going to start from a template actually. The templates are super helpful. You're able to find a lot of really good options to use for your own personal website in the templates. So we're going to search right now for social media, and let's see what comes up. Let's see. I think we'll go with this one right here actually. We'll start with this one. So this is just a template that we're going to be able to use. So we'll go ahead and use the template. So it's going to go ahead and load it up for us, and we'll be able to use it for our own personal website and customize it to what we want it to be. All right. And that should be all set. And here we go. So here is the website. This is obviously not filled out because it's meant for someone else to fill out and use for their own website. So this has been used for full service automotive detailing before. But we can customize it and make it so it matches what our vision is. So in order to get our vision for that, we're going to go ahead and pop into ChatGPT. And in ChatGPT, we are going to ask it, help me create a good opening for my website for social media. And then it'll give us a good strong opening called the hero section, as it says up here. And so it's going to give us some suggestions on what we can do. So we'll go ahead and say write 5 versions of my products page opening. So it'll give us 5 different versions that we can use for a products page. And so let's see. Tools that make your social media further, that take your social media further, designed for creators, powered by strategy. These are all pretty good. We'll go ahead and go with this one, everything you need to win on social media. So we'll go ahead and take this, we'll copy this, and then we'll paste it right in here. So we'll go ahead and put that in here. We'll get rid of this. We can just delete that. And then right here, we're gonna go ahead and take this and put that in the subline instead of this one. And then in this, we're gonna go ahead and edit this text over here. And so this text will now just be schedule a call. All right. So that is basically just gonna be a good opener to our website. So that's gonna be the first thing we wanna set up. So the next thing we're gonna look at is how we're gonna have the rest of the site flow. All right, so we'll go ahead and say we're gonna use version 3. So we'll say I used version 3. What else can I add to my website to make it better? So ChatGPT is going to go ahead and coach us through this really quick. So we'll see social proof. So we'll want testimonials. I think that is already on this site. Yes, that's right here. So you can add those testimonials to make sure that they look good. Next thing, let's see, visual demos. So if you do have demos, you can add those in. Oh, whoops. Go ahead and put that back. So we'll go ahead and see what the next thing is after the testimonials. The next thing is visual demos. So visual demos, obviously you can add those in and just have those be a part of your site. I believe that you could add it in right here. So we could just be like demos. And then you can add that all in here and have these perks along with it. And then let's see what else. Clear call to actions. So then we're gonna wanna put that somewhere down here. Let's see. We could put it here with the come visit us and just put in different stuff for people to get in touch with us or have them come to our location. But overall, this is a really good template to use for your own site. And then you're going to want to go ahead and save. And when you're ready to publish your site, you can click publish, and GHL can help you get through buying a domain name and getting your site on the internet. And you can actually get some good SEO advice from it as well, as you can see right here on the side. So this will tell us just different stuff that we need to add in to make sure that the SEO looks good, and just make it so it's more optimized for our brand specifically. So after looking at the SEO stuff, obviously if you have a logo, you can add it in right here, and you can just make it so your site just looks really good, really professional, and make it so that when your viewers or whoever is following you on social media want to see who you are and possibly get in touch, then you can have this site be something that can automatically get them in touch with you. But that'll be all for today, guys. This has been getting a website set up in 10 minutes. So be sure to like the video and comment down below if you want to know more about how you can set up a website. Hit the notifications bell and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to come back for next week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the new intro, and I'll see you guys next week.